Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the pointer location on your S25 Ultra. So if you're having difficulties on your Samsung S25 Ultra screen and you want to know if you have actually accurately pressed a location, then let me show you how you can turn on a setting called pointer location. And this will basically mark where you have actually tapped or where you have actually dragged. So first, you're going to go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, tap on settings, scroll down all the way until you see developer option, tap on this. Now go ahead and scroll down all the way until you see pointer location. So this is a screen overlay showing current touch data. Turn this feature on. You'll see some information here at the top. Press home. And now wherever you go ahead and tap, you'll see a horizontal line and a vertical line. So this basically confirms where your pointer is. And as you can see, wherever I have swiped on screen, it'll also leave a mark on it. So it leaves like a snail mark on it. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on the pointer location on your S25 Ultra screen. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.